Hello everyone, now we have to discuss transient analysis in case of series RC circuit. First we have to analyze the force response followed by natural response, then step response, finally impulse response. We can do the analysis same like series RL circuit. First we have to get the circuit diagram for this. Supply voltage, that is DC excitation, right? Vs. We are having a switch, right? Then R, finally C. RC circuit, right? R, C. This is switch. This is the supply voltage Vs. Okay. What is the observation here? When a DC voltage Es be applied at t is equals to 0 by closing the switch, right? When it is closing, obviously the circuit is closed, obviously there is a current. When the switch is closed, there is a current in the circuit. By KVL, what is that equation? R into I. When it is capacitance, we all know that 1 by C integral I dt, which is equals to Vs. But we have to get the differential term. So to get that, R into di by dt plus 1 by C I, which is equals to differentiation of this voltage is nothing but 0. Finally, we have this. So from this, this is simply mathematical operation. Okay, there is no confusion at all. This is what? I into 1 by RC, which is equals to 0, right? Then this equation is looks like what? Dy by dx plus ax, which is equals to 0, right? That is homogeneous differential equation. Therefore, general solution, which is equals to what? Only complementary function only. That is we have to get force response, right? Force response I, which is equals to what? The current due to complementary function. That's it, right? Therefore, I, which is equals to, here k is constant. What is the representation? E power minus ax. A is nothing but what? 1 by RC into T. This is the representation. Right? Now we have to calculate the value of arbitrary constant, where k is equals to what? Arbitrary constant. To get arbitrary constant, what we have to do? We have to apply initial conditions. We can write that point. This point is very important. We all know that when the circuit is at steady state condition, initially the capacitor acts as what? Short circuited, right? Coming to inductor, it acts as open circuited. Coming to capacitor, it acts as short circuited initially. Okay. So with application of voltage and assuming no initial charge, across capacitor. We are not considering any initial charge across a capacitor. Then there is no charge obviously, then the capacitor will not produce any voltage across it, but acts as short circuited. Why it is short circuited? Initially capacitor acts as short circuited, right, causing the circuit current to be, what is the value? V by R, right? That is simply, that is at t is equals to 0 plus what we are having, that is I of 0 plus, which is equals to V by R. We don't have any initial charge, but initially capacitor acts as short circuited. Because of that short circuiting condition, the circuit will have a current. That current is nothing but what? V by R. This is 0, right? Then we have to substitute this equation. Hence at t is equals to 0 plus what we are having, K, which is equals to V by R. Simply V by R only, right? Already we did this in case of RL circuit. Just we have to substitute when t is equals to 0, I is equals to V by R. Finally we have K is equals to V by R. Therefore, what is our observation? Force response we have to get. Force response I, which is equals to, what is the P by R e power minus T by RC. Assume tau is equals to RC, which is equals to time constant in RC circuit. Tau is equals to RC. In case of RL circuit, L by R, right? In this case, tau is equals to RC. Therefore, I is equals to, we can say V by R e power minus T by tau. That is, I is equals to, V by R is nothing but what? Is only, e power minus T by tau. This is the force response from this RC circuit. Is it what? Exponentially decaying, right? That is when t is equals to 1 tau. What is the value of current? What is the value of current? I is equals to what? 0.632. Sorry, current is what? 0.3. What is the value? Approximately we will get 0.386, right? Approximately we are having 0.386 is. Then response is what? This is T, this is I, like this, then the response is what? So like this we got. This is what? Is, which is equals to V by R. This is 1 tau, this is 2 tau, this is 0. At this 1 tau we can get sorry, cos 0.368 we have to get, right? So like this we have to get. This is exponentially decaying, right? Like that we have to get voltage across resistor. Voltage across resistor VR is what? Simply ER, which is equals to I into R, which is nothing but V by R, V into e power minus t by tau. Like that, voltage across capacitor VC. VC, which is equals to what? Supply voltage minus VR, which is nothing but V minus V into e power minus t by tau. Therefore, Vc, which is equals to what? V into 1 minus e power t by tau. See, from this what we have observed? This is decaying, right? This is rising. Simple. If you know the concept of series RL circuit, then you will get the concept of series RC circuit for any response, whether it is forced response, natural response, whatever it may be. Sorry, this is not current. This is what? VR and VC. Sorry. Yeah, VC. What about VC? VC is what? Exponentially rising, right? VC is what? Exponentially rising. What about VR? Let us say this is the graph. Okay. What about VR? This is VR. This is VC. This is what? V. Okay. This is responses of voltage across resistor as well as voltage across capacitor. Then we all know time constant is what? RC. Completed. Next, instantaneous powers. That's it. First one is what? Pi, right? That is nothing but PR, which is equals to what? VR into I, which is nothing but P square by R into e power minus 2t by tau parts. Like that, PC, which is equals to what? VC into I, which is equals to P square by R into minus, or you can say this is what? Tau into e power minus 2t by tau parts. Therefore, Pi which is equals to Pr plus Pc. From this Pi which is equals to what? P square by R into e power minus t by tau watts. That's it. This is about the power, instantaneous power in case of series RC circuit. This is what? Decaying, right? If it is e power minus t by tau, finally simply it is decaying function. If it is 1 minus e power minus t by tau, that is exponentially rising function. That's it. That's all for series RC circuit force response.